begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 28. Whatever is sacrificed, given or performed, and whatever austerity is practiced without faith, it is called asat, O Parth. It is not for here or hereafter, after death.
Chapter 17, Shloka 28. Ashraddhaya hudan dhattam tapastaptam kritam chayat asadityuchyate partha nachatat pretyano iha.
Chapter 17, Shloka 28. All these acts become perfect only when done in full faith. The rule of life is that without faith, no one can come to shine in any field of activity. Without faith, no one can get any profit in any field of activity, both in the secular activities of the world and the sacred performance of religious activities. The quality and quantity of the result is determined by our faith in our own efficiency and goodness in our field of activity. Lord says that an individual without faith, even if he performs a most glorious act, it is not for here or hereafter. The effects of actions are ordered by the strength of faith and conviction of the performer, called as steadfastness, sthiti, in philosophy. The driving force behind all actions is the strength of faith and conviction with which the actions are performed or undertaken, which spring from the intellectual values entertained by the seeker. Whatever sacrifice is made, whatever penance is performed, or whatever charity is given, it is called asat. If it is undertaken without faith, asat means non-existence or unreality in the language of philosophy, and as the cause, so the effect. Therefore, from the unreal, nothing real can emerge, and so the devoted actions, spiritual or religious, when undertaken without faith, cannot produce any result. Lord says that Shraddha is unavoidable and that without it no progress or evolution can ever take place, that such acts performed without faith become barren, asat. Learn more in the next chapter, Liberation through Renunciation, in the next video. Om Tat Sat. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.